Hello everyone, it's Christine here and I'm back for our stitch along, and we are going to continue with shadow work, and this time we're going to work on the back of the fabric but end up with this same pattern. But this particular stitch is called shadow work closed herringbone stitch. So it's just a variation on yesterday's one, but where we're working on the back, and we'll end up with this pattern on the back and the outline pattern on the front. So what we're going to do is start off with our needle popping into the fabric a bit back from where we want to have our starting point. And we're going to pull our thread through. And the book says to leave a tail of about 5 centimetres, because the book suggests that we weave it under the finished herringbone at the end. Then we're going to bring our needle in on the bottom line, down from where our first stitch is, like this. And then we're going to start the process that we did yesterday of doing stitches that come a bit forward and then come back to where the previous stitch was. And then doing the same on the lower line, bringing our needle back to where the stitch is. And then on the upper line the same, and then on the lower line. So I hope you're having a great day or a great evening. I'm doing well, looking forward to a nice weekend. And then we also get Tuesday off here in Victoria or in Melbourne. It's a strange public holiday for a horse race. I don't really follow horse racing because I think it's pretty cruel to the horses, so we'll probably just end up going for a picnic or something, which will be nice on Tuesday. Would have been nice to have the Monday off to make an extra long weekend, but work's just a little bit crazy at the moment. But very much looking forward to this weekend. Just lots of relaxed time. Hopefully lots of creative stitching time too. I'm filming this on Friday night. I think you'll be watching this on Sunday night, I think. Now, what did I do with that stitch? Okay, now we're going, let me just check. So I did that stitch, that's gone back to there, and then I need to do this stitch from the center back to the last stitch here, even though the lines are going to look like they're overlapping. Now, the important thing is once you get to the crossover, you need to do your first stitch from the top and then continue the process of doing stitches equally the bottom. And you'll just want to make sure that yes, it has made the full outline, so you know you're going okay when that happens. And then you do your next stitch this direction, oops, back to there. Just as close as possible. You want to be trying to sort of come through the same hole. It's okay if it's not exactly the same, but to the extent possible, give it a go. So we were thinking we were going to invite Alex's parents and my parents to have a nice picnic together, but my poor mum and dad have come down with COVID. First dad came down with it. Mum messaged me earlier today and saying, oh, Dad's COVID positive and on antivirals and doing okay. And then, yeah, later this afternoon, Mum said, oh, yep, I've done the rat test as well and I've got it too. So they managed to get all the way through the pandemic without getting COVID, and, yeah, poor things have picked it up now. We've been lucky as a family. Yeah, they didn't get COVID. Alex and I haven't had COVID. So hopefully I managed to avoid it. I did see them last weekend. But don't really want to have it. And yeah, don't want Alex to have it either, just with a few of his challenges recently. And he's going into hospital in a week and a bit's time to have a procedure done, so he's got to keep himself well. So as you can see, we've now got the outline on that side, and then we've got the outline on this side. And what the book says is just to weave the ends under the threads, under the stitches, as close as possible to the edge. So I'm not sure how many stitches we're meant to weave it under. But I guess a few stitches, enough stitches to probably give it, so it's not kind of, so that's probably enough stitches, I think. And then I guess I just carefully snip it off without snipping off that. And then I guess we need to weave our other end, which is why it says, I guess, leaving it at 5 centimetres. Just realised I said guess a few times, not sure, running out of words at the end of the week. So we'll just pass it under and through. It says as close to the edge as possible, so I guess mainly just to get it fully sort of caught in place, I suppose. And then I'll just snipperoo it off. And so we get that effect on the front. Let me show you what it looks like with the light shining through it, having to resort to phone light. And so there you go. That is the lattice effect. Probably do just need to push that little endy bit over a little bit. Yeah, very, very pleased with that. So thanks so much for watching, and tomorrow we're going to be doing shadow trapunto. And so that's a form of Italian quilting, so stand by for that. Thanks so much everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.